We're Rich and Cindy from Love Summon.
And we've been traveling with our Airstream over 20 years. And one of the most common questions we get asked is, what's the best thing about owning an Airstream?
And our answer every time is the same, and it's the community of Airstreamers.
Whether we're traveling to an international or experiencing a local club rally, you can always find friends and new activities.
And this year in particular, we are so thankful for that community because, as many of you know, the Love Summit was in Jackson Center for about 5 months.
And so many of you sent in pictures and emails and updates about the status of our Airstream, and we were just very, very thankful.
Absolutely, and it just made us feel good from the bottom of our heart.
Yes.
Hey everyone, we're Brad, Blair, and Piper from 13 Adventures.
And this Thanksgiving, we've been thinking about how grateful we are for the adventure itself. The constant motion, the new views, the friends we've seen along the way, and the new faces.
Yeah, and it's wild that this lifestyle makes the whole country feel like a little neighborhood. No matter where we go, we know we'll always run into somebody we know, have met before, or are glad to meet for the first time.
It's a reminder that home isn't just a place, it's the people that you share the road with.
Hi, we're Jim and Michelle from Airstreamer. What we love about the Airstream life is the freedom that it offers.
We get to go wherever we want to go. If we're somewhere and the weather's not good, we can pick up and leave and travel somewhere else.
So we always say our house has wheels under it, so we can change our view anytime we want.
We're very thankful for the country that we live in, and we have the freedom to travel and move about wherever we want to go.
And see all the things that this amazing country of ours has to offer.
Hi, we are Kevin and Deborah from Our Second Life.
And No Locks.
And we are so incredibly grateful for this full-time life that we have been living for 4 years on the road.
Yeah, and thanks to No Locks, we get to maintain this lifestyle. And it's so good to meet a lot of you fellow Airstreamers out there and getting your doors serviced. So we really want to thank you so much. It does mean a lot to us. So if you do see us around, please come by and say hi.
We are incredibly thankful for you and wish you and your family a very happy Thanksgiving.
Hey, we're Jonathan and Blakely from Digital Barbell. This Thanksgiving, we're thankful for you, the Airstreamers that make this whole lifestyle feel a little bit less crazy and a little more worth it.
We've spent the last 9 months living, traveling, and running our online business full-time from the road. And it's been a mix of beautiful sunrises, meeting amazing people, unexpected opportunities, and also a long list of, well, we didn't see that one coming.
From feeling like a full-time meteorologist and travel agent to having to do squats and push-ups next to our neighbor's sewer hose, we've definitely had a lot of those what are we doing moments.
But then you roll by in your Airstream, throw us that classic wave where we see you at the campground making memories with your family, and suddenly we're reminded why we're out here doing this.
So this Thanksgiving, we just want to say thanks for the inspiration, the community, and for making this life on the road feel a little more connected instead of crazy.
Hey everyone, I'm Bill.
And I'm Francis.
And we're
the Ramblin' Hamblins.
We're full-time Airstreamers exploring the country one meal and one adventure at a time. We love discovering new places, new cultures, and of course, new food.
And then bringing those flavors back to our tiny kitchen to share them with you.
This Thanksgiving, we're so thankful for the freedom of the open road, the incredible people we've met along the way, and this little kitchen that somehow makes it all happen.
And most of all, we're thankful for you for joining us on this journey, one recipe, 1 mile at a time.
Hi, we're Rainey, Diane, and Zephyr from Zephyr Travels.
Like the gentle western wind that our dog Zephyr is named for, we are grateful for the opportunity to travel this great country in our Airstream and share our adventures with all of you.
We are thankful for being able to share this lifestyle with our 2 dogs, Monty and Zephyr. With them, we have traveled across this country multiple times, visiting over 30 states.
We are thankful for the people we have met at campgrounds, rallies, and along the road. Many of you have become lifelong friends.
We have had the pleasure to meet so many of you who have watched our videos and shared in our good times and our not so good times. We appreciate all of your support and encouragement.
We are thankful for the memories we've created with our dog Monty, who continues to travel with us in our hearts.
I am especially grateful that my cancer has remained in remission throughout 2025.
We look forward to meeting many more of you as we continue our travels in 2026 and beyond. Zephyr, fetch.
Hey folks, we're the Watsons from Chad's RV Reviews. We are thankful for the innovation and creativity that's in every Airstream on the road today.
We see it in our flying cloud, and if you've ever been to the factory up at Jackson Center like we have, you get to see that each Airstream is handcrafted.
We're thankful to own an Airstream. It gives us the ability to go to Airstream rallies, to see you guys in person. Also, when you go to an RV park that doesn't have a bunch of Airstreams in it and you're the only Airstream, we get to meet people who come up to us and ask us about Airstream. And we are proud to own something like an Airstream, something that's iconic, that we can talk about the quality, the craftsmanship, and all that surrounds Airstream.
70% of Airstreams made are still on the road today, making them an iconic part of American culture.
Hey guys, we're Rick and Lisa from The Right Life.
And this year, Thanksgiving is especially meaningful.
For those of you that may not know, we just recently completed a cancer journey.
With multiple treatments and doctor's appointments, our Airstream travels were sidelined. We leaned on our faith and were happy to share by God's grace that Rick is cancer-free.
So throughout this difficult season, we are so thankful for God's faithfulness, your many prayers, and your words of encouragement along the way.
Your support truly meant more than you'll know.
We're Nick and Emily from Cajun Mile.
This year, we're thankful for all the different cultures that we got to experience during our travel.
In 2025, we visited 22 states and got to meet a lot of great people, as well as immerse ourselves in the culture of each place that we visited.
From winning a meat raffle in Minnesota to going on an alligator tour in the swamps of South Louisiana, every stop is a new location for us to try local cuisine, learn about the history and heritage and cultures of each region.
Every location offers a unique perspective and is a great part of our travels.
To all the people that we've met along the way, thank you so much for sharing your hometown with us.
Hey, we're Chris and Gina Fox. We do exist.
Here we are.
In person. Normally we're behind these mics on our Airstream-oriented podcast, The Riveted with Chris and Gina.
But today we decided to fire up the cameras and come and wish you guys a happy Thanksgiving and to let you know a few things we're thankful for.
Yes, first up, we're thankful for our truck. Our 2007 Toyota Tundra with over 307,000 miles has faithfully towed our Airstream around this beautiful country for almost 9 years.
And it does not owe us another mile.
But we keep asking.
Yes, we do. This is true. But what we're really most thankful for is you, our guest and the listener. You have come on and shared your stories with us and have inspired us in so many ways. This Airstream community is what we're thankful for.
Yeah, so thank you from the Riveted Fox and from the Riveted with Chris and Gina podcast. Thanks for listening. Thanks for cheering us on. And thanks for rolling with us on this amazing journey.
So, 2 more memories, many more miles, and lots of stories yet to be shared. From our shiny hiney to yours.
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 From
our shiny hiney to yours.
From our shiny hiney to yours.
From our shiny hiney to yours.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Hi, we are Randy.
Too soon.
Oh. Oh my God. All right, because you have to start that right away as soon as I start to talk.
Should I juggle the pumpkins?
You ready?
No.
Keep waving.
From winning a... God, what happened?
Wait, we don't have microphones on.
Airstreamers who make life...
Oh boy. Take. I think we did good though.
Yeah, we did pretty good.
From our shine.
I was looking at you so that we could look at each other and then from
So-
our shine... Just, you don't need to say so.
Okay. From our shiny hiney to
yours.
yours. Happy Thanksgiving.
Just singular hiney.
From our shiny hiney to yours. Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy
Happy
Thanksgiving.
Thanksgiving.
And we'll see you down the road.
I think we finally broke it.
Yep.
Oh, you did break it.
Done.
I knew that was going to happen. You got it.
I almost
You
hit you.
got me.
All right, let me try it again.
Your support meant truly.
Say it again.
Your support meant truly. Your support meant truly. Your support truly meant more than you'll know.
Normally we're behind
Stop.
these micro...
Stop. A damn thing just went down my blouse.
Go, throw it up high.
Ha! Woo!
From
Right.
our shiny...
Shiny-
Here we go. Ready?
To yours. Happy Thanksgiving.
Okay, so again, from our shiny hiney to yours, happy Thanksgiving.
Okay. From
From
our
our
shi-
shiny... Okay, and we're going to
Right.
go. 3,
Right.